Hi! So in this video, I'll be sharing my hair care routine with you. So recently, my hair was breaking. If you have known me for a while, you will know that I've had long, luscious hair, but somehow something happened and it got damaged somehow, and see my hair. Anyway, so immediately I noticed that the hair was breaking, I went ahead to get a certain range, and I would love to introduce to you the Duologi range. Duologi refers primarily to a skincare-inspired hair care brand by Oriflame, featuring products designed to nourish hair from the roots while promoting scalp health. So I went to take these products one after the other, starting with the Duologi Intense Repair Shampoo. It's a moisturizing shampoo for dry and damaged hair that works in harmony with the scalp to gently cleanse and soothe hair without stripping. Skincare ingredients in this shampoo work in harmony with the scalp to gently cleanse and strengthen hair from the root. These ingredients smooth, protect, and repair damaged hair with keratin protein and nourishing oat lipids. The shampoo reduces hair breakage and makes hair more damage resistant. It repairs damage on the cuticle by smoothing cracks. Next, I have the Duologi Rich Creme Conditioner, which is a deeply nourishing conditioner to protect, moisturize, and repair hair fibers, instantly improving hair condition. It is suitable for medium to thick hair. It strengthens hair from the root with keratin protein, while protective mango butter helps to drench hair in nourishment, reducing hair breakage and increasing hair resilience to prevent future split ends. The skincare ingredients in this conditioner protect, moisturize, and repair hair fibers to reduce hair breakage and prevent split ends, leaving hair soft and smooth. Plus, it helps tame frizzy hair. Based on statistics, this conditioner reduces hair breakage by at least 83% after the first use, and at least 6 times better hair condition for stronger, more resilient hair. And then the Duologi Intense Repair Hair Mask, which is actually the first one I got. You'd see, I started using it, and from the very first time I started using this hair mask, I could see the difference. So this hair mask is a deep conditioning rescue mask to instantly improve the condition of dry and damaged hair. It has a rich, creamy texture that delivers ultimate hydration. Skincare ingredients in this mask help strengthen hair at the roots to deeply nourish and rejuvenate hair as part of your weekly hair care routine. These ingredients target dry and damaged hair, as keratin protein and nourishing oat lipids help to strengthen hair at the roots, increasing hair resilience against hair breakage, plus helping prevent future split ends. It smooths, protects, and repairs damaged hair with keratin protein and nourishing oat lipids. The Intense Repair Hair Mask is a deep conditioning rescue treatment to protect, condition, and repair hair fibers, instantly improving hair condition by 88% based on statistics. It reduces hair breakage by 86% after the first use, preventing split ends, and it makes hair 8 times easier to comb for effortless detangling, and I can attest to that. I said it, from my very first use, I saw the difference. So there's one more product, I don't have that. It's the Duologi Sealing Hair Serum, which is a protective hair serum to visibly reduce split ends. It's smoothing damaged hair fibers while treating and nourishing hair. It tames flyaways and dry brittle ends, plus smooths frizzy hair. It leaves hair softer and protected with a healthier glossy shine. It is designed to help treat hair at a cellular level and protect the hair cuticle. The skincare ingredients that are in that serum, they target dry and damaged hair from breakage with keratin protein, nourishing oat lipids, and strengthening betaine. The silky water-based texture absorbs quickly with no sticky residue, leaving hair softer and protected with a healthy glossy shine, encased in a Lux glass bottle made with 25% recycled glass. So yes, I've been using these three: the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair mask, and sincerely my hair has been growing back. It's looking luscious and everything, so I'll continue using it and I will keep you updated. How do you use these products? You know how to use your shampoo, right? You lather, and the interesting thing is with these products you just need a very little quantity, so very small goes a long way. So this, very lovely. You should get this for yourself, for your girls. If their hair is breaking, your hair is breaking, trust me, these three products will really help you. However, I don't stop there. So after I've washed the hair, conditioned it, and then applied the hair mask, I rinse that off, dry the hair, and I apply this Up-Loved Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. So it's a moisturizer with upcycled banana flour and organic Haircare, right? So this works so well with any kind of hair, whether relaxed or natural hair, especially natural hair. So once you apply it to the hair, it makes it easier to comb through the hair. You know, it just feels moisturized. Remember, moisturization is not done by oil. You need a water-based product to first of all moisturize your hair. So I use this virtually every other day, especially to the tips of the hair strands so that it doesn't get dry and frizzy. Then after doing that, I go in with this oil. This is the Love Nature Nourishing Body, Face and Hair Oil with organic avocado oil. We also have the coconut oil, so sometimes I use the coconut oil. So that's it with this. Sometimes I use the olive oil too, from the Love Nature range. So basically that is my hair care routine. Yeah, I'm doing better with my hair now. I took my luscious long hair for granted, but now that I'm treating it, I'm already seeing the difference. And trust me, if you have issues with your hair, just send me a message. I would really love to guide you through and help you choose the right products to restore your hair to that healthy state that it should be. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, I'm your go-to girl when it comes to skincare products, beauty care products generally, fragrances, wellness products. I'm your go-to girl. Feel free to send me a message. If you have any question about this product, I will be glad to answer you. Thank you so much. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and share this video with as many people that you think would need this information. Thank you once again for watching this video. Until I come your way next time, bye-bye.